welcome to my channel. See how I'm up and it.
...2015 Kia Optima. We're going to be doing door panels. The tools you're going to need is a trim remover, a drill, or a regular screwdriver. So we're going to be doing the front and rear. So let's start with the rear. So you're going to have little rubber in there, so you gotta remove, you gotta find your way in. Sometimes it's a little tricky. Okay, there you go. Oops. Once you get the rubber out, and there's a screw. There's another cover here. This is hard plastic, so you gotta go behind where the lock is, and you gotta kind of open the handle better so you can have a better grip, and you gotta kind of go behind. Found it's a little tricky to get it out. There you go. So you go kind of use your handle as leverage, and then when you pull the handle, go right there on the handle. Then there's another cover over here. Gotta find your way in. Pop it out. 2 clips. Now we're ready to take the bottom screw here out. The other screw over here. Then we're gonna start from the bottom up. So I'm gonna use this to get a start point. Once I can get my finger under, I just start unclipping it, and then I slide up. Now let me show you about this. To remove this cable, all you gotta do is press this tab, and the whole thing release. To install it back, just push in, push down. So push in, comes out, and then you get your, of course, your electrical plug. Now let's do the front. So the front, same thing. We're gonna start here on the top. Remove that. That you're gonna have to take it out and install it here before you put it in. If any of those clips get stuck. So what you do, you slide it back in here where it goes. Alright, so now let's take the bottom rubber here out again. The rubber. Then again we're gonna fight with this little cover. So remember, we go where the handle is, put it behind the handle, and then you try to go under behind it. There you go. Not the plan, but now we get the drill. So one screw here, one more here. And again, I get a start point over here somewhere in the bottom. If I can stick my fingers under, I can just start pulling. Then I lift up. Same thing here on the handle. Just push that little tab. The whole thing comes out. And then of course you got your connection here for the switches. And that's how you do it. I'll show you how to put it back in a little bit. Alright, so like I said, to put it back, what you do, you connect, your remote down there. Then you take these cables, you stick them in here, stick them in there, and then just push in. And you're gotta go up a little bit. So you gotta kind of go on this right there on the seal. Once you see it sitting there good, need to go down a little bit more. So just kind of play with it. There. So now I will start hitting the clips. Then you put your screw back. Okay. Put your screw back here. Take your other screw for the top here. Sorry, doing this with one hand, it's not easy. Take your little cover, drop it in there, and you take your other cover here, just push it straight in, test the handle. Yeah, baby. Then you take your top cover here. Just push it in.
I just close the door
and that's how you do it. Same thing for the back. Same process. Alright, there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. There you have the panels. And fresh tinted window, 20% in the back, 35 all around. Kia Optima 2015, 2016, 2015. 2015. Alright, see you in the next one.